Hello kids, welcome back again in maths class in standard 4. Today I am going to introduce about new chapter number 12, basic geometry. In basic geometry we use compass box, geometric box, this type of box. So geometry is a branch of mathematics that deal with point, line, angle, shapes and solids. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with a point, lines, angle, shapes and solid. To draw geometric figure accurately we need a geometry box. To draw a figure accurately, so we need geometry box. In this chapter we learned about point, line and angles. Point, line and angles. A geometry box contain the following things: two set of square. Look here, I show you some things. You know, this one is a scale. Two set of square. This one is a two set of square. Then protractor. This one is a protractor. Then compass, divider. Measuring scale. You know scale. Measuring scale. A pencil and eraser. Now point. A point has no shape, no size. A point has no shape, no size. It is just a dot. It is just a dot made on paper. It is just a dot made on paper. It is the smallest geometry shape. It is the smallest geometry shape. It has no length, no breadth. We denote a point by a capital letter, say A, B, C, D, etc. All geometrical figures are made of points. All geometrical figures made of points. Again revise it. Point. What is the point? A point has no shape, no size. A point has no shape, no size. It is just a dot on paper. It is just a dot made on paper. It is the smallest geometry shape. It has no length, no breadth. We denote a point by a capital letter, say A, B, C, D. All geometric figures are made of a point. Here some example are given. This one is called point. And name are given is point A, point B, point C, point D are some examples of point. Some example of points. Now next one. Line segment. What is a line segment? Take a 2 point. Say point X and point Y. Take a 2 point. Say point X and point Y and join them using a ruler. Then join them. Here we join point X and point Y using the ruler. Join it. Take a 2 point, say X and Y and join them using a ruler. We here ma'am joined the both point and it's make X, Y. The figure that you get is called line segment. The figure that you get is called a line segment. It is written as line segment XY. Line segment XY. It is written as line segment XY. X and Y are the end point of the given figure. Given line segment. X and Y are the end point. Both are end point. X and Y are the end point of the given line segment. A line segment can be vertical, horizontal, slanting. It has a fixed length. And cannot be extended from any side. It cannot be extended from any side. Line segment cannot be extended any side. It has fixed length. fixed length. Again one time repeat, line segment. What is a line segment? Take a 2 point, say x and y, join them using ruler. Then the figure is that is called a line segment. It is written as line segment. X and y are the endpoint of the given line segment. A line segment can be vertical, horizontal, slanting. It has fixed length and cannot be extended from any side. First we learn point, then line segment, then here ray. Ray, what is a ray? Extend the line segment xy from one end and put an arrow. One end and put an arrow. Here one end and put here one arrow. The figure that you get is called ray. The figure that you get is called ray. Again one time, extend the line segment xy from one end, put an arrow. The figure that you get is called ray. It is written with an arrow on top as ray xy. It has one endpoint. It can be measured as it can be extend to any length in one direction. It can be extend any one length in one direction. Here again one time repeated. Extend the line segment xy from one end. Here one end and put an arrow. The figure that you get is called ray. It is written with an arrow on top as ray xy. It has one end point. It has only one end point. It cannot be measured. As it can be extend to any length in one direction. You extend any length in only one direction. Okay, now next one, line. What is a line? Extend the ray xy from the other end also. The figure that you get is line. That is line. Here again arrow, here also arrow, x and y. The line extend both sides. A line segment extend on both sides is a line. The line segment extend both sides is a line. It is written as line xy or line yx with arrowhead. This type of arrowhead on the both sides. A line cannot be measured as it has no endpoint. It extends infinitely on both sides. Infinitely means you draw more than lines both sides. A line can be of many types. A line can be of many types. But again one time repeat line. Extend the ray xy from the other end also. The figure that you get is line. Here lines are given, line xy. A line segment extend both sides is a line. It is written as line xy or yx with arrowheads on the both sides. A line cannot be measured as it has no endpoint. It extends infinitely on both sides. A line can be of many types. Vertical, horizontal, slanting, curve line. Here four type of lines. We will use in this chapter. Angles. Angles means what? When two rays meet as a common endpoint. And the common endpoint. Here BA and CA. Here this one is a common endpoint. This one is a called common endpoint and angle is the form. Look here, this one arm, this one second arm and join it. It's a make an angle. angle. Look here, this one and this line both join it. This ray and this ray join it, it's a make a angle. So when two ray meets as a common end point, an angle is formed. The common end point is called the vertex. This one is called vertex. The common end point, it's called vertex. This A point is called vertex, and the two rays are called arms. The two rays are called arms. Arm 1 and arm 2. Arm 1 and arm 2 join it. It's make an angle, and this end point is called, this point is called vertex. Here the A is a vertex. The symbol of angle is this. The symbol of angle is this angle. The angle shown is written as angle BAC. Angle BAC and angle CAB. Again one time repeat it. Angles. When two rays meet as a common end point, an angle is formed. The common end point is called vertex. This one is a vertex, and two rays are called the arms of the angle. These both are arms of the angle. This one is called angle. The symbol of angle is what? This. And the angle shown is written as BAC or CAB. Now types of angles. Types of angles. Angles are mainly four types. Angles are mainly four types. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Again one time repeat. Angles are mainly four types. Angles are mainly four types. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Look here. What is the right angle? An angle formed by vertical line and horizontal line is the right angle. This one is a vertical line and this one is a horizontal line. These angles are called right angle. These angles are called right angle. Here angle ABC is the right angle. Here ABC is the right angle. Again one type. An angle formed by vertical line and a horizontal line is a right angle. Vertical line and horizontal line is a right angle. ABC is a right angle. Now acute angle. An angle less than the right angle. An angle less than the right angle is an acute angle. This one is a right angle, but less than the right angle, this angle is called acute angle. This angle is called acute angle. Look here, the straight line to less. This angle is called acute angle. DBC is acute angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means what? An angle greater than right angle. An angle greater than a right angle is called obtuse angle. This one is a right angle and greater means more than. Right angle is an obtuse angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means two adjoining right angle from a straight angle. Two right angles join it. Two right angle join it. It's make straight angle. Here FBC. Angle FBC is called straight angle. Now solve exercise. Exercise question 1 here. Join the given point to make a line segment. Join the given points to make a line segment. Here point A and point B. Join it. It's a make a line segment A, B. Line segment A, B. A point A and point B join it and it's make a line segment A, B. Again point C and point D join it. So it's a make line segment C, D. Here point P and point Q both join it. It's make line segment P, Q. D. Point R and point S join it. So it's make line segment are S. Now next questions. Name the following rays. Name the following rays. Here ray XY. Ray XY. Then ray KL. Ray KL. Here ray CM. Here ray CM. Then here ray PQ. Here ray PQ. Now next question. Name the following figures. Name the following figures. Here ray AB. Here ray AB. This one is line segment AB. Line segment AB. This one is called line. Line XY. Line XY. Kiran AB, line segment AB and line XY. Now write the names of these lines in two different ways. Write the names of this line in two different ways. One example here written here line MN. So first time you write line MN and second time NM. Line NM. Here Y and Z. So first we write here line YZ and another one is ZY. Then here line ST and line TS. Line TS. Then D, here line DE and line ED. Line ED. Now next question. Draw the following figures using a ruler. Draw the following figure using the ruler. So we take here ruler using the ruler. Ray TR. Ray TR. So first here put the point T. Then you make a line. So line and ray, it's called ray TR. This one is called ray TR. Line segment AC, so point A and point C, you join it both. It's make a line segment AC. Vertical line, only vertical line here. So vertical line, this one is a vertical line. Vertical line. Only a point D, a point Q. So point Q. Point Q. Now next one. Draw an angle and name its arm and vertex. Also write the type of an angles. Draw an angle. So we draw here this type of angles. Name it A, B, C. B is a vertex. Vertex what? Vertex B. Arm 1 is equal to ray BA. Arm 2 ray BC. And angle. Which type angle you draw it? It's a less than right angle. So this angle is called acute angle. This angle is called acute angle. Now next one. Name the angles shown in the following figure. Classify them as acute, obtuse, straight or right angles. First one. This angle is less than right angle. So this angle is called acute angle. This angle is called acute angle. Here this angle is called right angle. This angle is called right angle. This angle is more than right angle. So this angle is called obtuse angle. This angle is called obtuse angle. This angle is what? This angle is right angle. This angle is right angle. Then here this angle is less than right angle. So this angle is called acute angle. And last one here, this one is a straight angle. This one is called straight angle. This angle is called what? Straight angle. This angle is called straight angle. This angle is less than right angle. It is called acute angle. This angle is a right angle. This angle is a more than right angle. It's called obtuse angle. This angle is a turn it opposite side, but it is a right angle. This angle is less than right angle. It is called acute angle, and this angle is straight angle. This angle is straight angle. So again one time repeat it here. These equations, vertex B, arms BA and arms BC, this angle is called acute angle. This all exercise copy from board to notebook all students. So thank you.